Avery printable greeting cards are great for thank you cards, promotions, event invitations, and more. Pre-scored for easy and accurate folding, each card is designed to look clean and professional for any occasion. Today, we will be designing Avery 3265 greeting cards, but the instructions are the same for any greeting card. In Customize, we will see the front cover of our card in the middle of the screen. Here, we can enter some text and make any desired changes to the font size or style. If we want to add a message to the inside of our card, we will select Inside at the top of our screen. This will take us to the inner left side of the card. Here, you can put additional images or photos. Since we want to write a message on the inside, we will use the navigator on the right and click the other side of the template. Here, we can enter our messaging and format the font how we want. When we are done designing, we can go to Preview and Print and make sure our design is set up correctly for printing. We can use the slider on the right to open the card and confirm that we have our messaging in the correct spot. If you have additional questions, contact our care team or visit avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.